Mbiamano sana umanchu mulia bigeta sene kia Ndizi TV chingaki ogendete kogokera emirobili migeta sene kiga nebirobinde na ndengo kwaligania ase mesa ya manga heli ndengo manyena ya bereka gokolekana kura chingongo ndawa na bogotonyora asensemeri ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital na boiga asensemeri ya YouTube na bogotonya wetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bogotonya wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke chingaki toroche ekiombe gia NTSA ime kaunti ya Mombasa kiabirige koleta teknolojia enya unenchereye moyo kukinia sekta yobosombi nabaga kura sensemeri kaunti ya mwanchu muligerere karansa Umanchi umuri gingo chaka kikimandi gongo chakera award ya tabaka imeye bunge ya South Mogirango kurwa ase class gia PP2 grade 3 na boigo grade 2 orobotirwa senchira eyo wenge
and the new HIV infection very clear, saying that this will ensure
ekiombe gia NTSA ime kaunti ya Mombasa wanonigo gia sioririe teknolojia enya eyura chikumulikira obokoleri bwepara korwa ase kaunti ya Mombasa goika asensemeri ya Busia enenchire ya moyo gokinia sekta yobosombi asinsemecho aseba enekiribu namba chikobeka CCTV eyugo chikuligereria na kichintereba chigokora merimo yabo ase habel
ni changamoto kwamba bodaboda sio wote ambao wako na leseni na sio wote ambao wako na insurance kutokana na gharama ya juu ya
akishika bodaboda mara 2-3 anashika barabara anaanza kubeba abiria kama hajapewa leseni, so hawajui sheria za barabara.
80% of the accidents ambazo zinafanyika saa hizi Kenya a cause is a bodaboda person. Tutahamasisha so that we reduce the kind of accidents which have been happening in the country.
Barabara ya Jacaranda Diani hadi pale Neptune says road furniture ambayo ina include road signs, road markings, standard speed bumps standard, kuna pedestrian crossings ambayo ni standard.
Magega ya serikali kurugo chika una endagira ya GMO bigokorwa ebirengereri byabo kana nengane yo.
We want to pay particular exception of how the cabinet minister has addressed Kenyans in this matter. We feel it was distasteful and it's a joke. It would be wrong to bring about statements whereby we trivialize death, trivialize suffering, trivialize insecurity. For this reason, we feel, irrespective of the matter in case, in consideration, would request honestly that the Kenyans deserve respect and not...
I will endeavor to unpack the influence of the principles of local governance in the performance of county governments in Kenya. My interest is to highlight the bottlenecks in effective service delivery to Kenyans, resource allocation within the counties, and the effect of political environment on the performance of the county.
Kobwatekana no koburwa kobulendia se kaunti ya Kakamega wononigo omokonde bwensi orachi gutokekana na mamochayo nabega kwimukirwa egetambukiro kya bene
union yenyu ama organization yenu waandikie gawa na barua na waje kwa officials on Monday at 10 namba ameinvest kwa mwanafunzi wanauawa na makoro
wameshika 18 suspects wako kwa cell saa hii. Mwende mu-identify hao suspects na mu-record statement matatu wapelekwe kotini. Lakini saa hii rauni hii mwende tu kwa county commissioner peaceful demonstration. Kakamega tumwambia komanda ya polisi mtu akipatikana nje leo usiku shika aende kotini. Paka tumalize hii ukora Kakamega hapa Kakamega town.
Omugavana we kaunti ya Nandi Stephen Sang wananigo aimukiri egetambukiro kyabene kolengana nelichi ocholire committee eyera chikuligereria obokoleri bwe chikampuni ao anene chiriche chae
setting up a task force to be able issues around the T-cess and T-cess and the repair of roads, of agricultural roads around these areas, and also to look into a number of other long-term issues that Nandi County has been engaged in. And therefore, today, we have taken the opportunity to unveil this team, and I will read my statement with regard to this as published in the Kenya Gazette a few days ago.
Omonogeri bwebunge nene Moses Wetangula bonanigo asemire abamenyi be county ya Bungoma wesimeka endagera enyinge asoko ene kibuna Chinsa mo kiri kibwate omuchando bw'enchara ngo kikireko konyeka ase amatuko abosio gokwana nabaliki bamangana nigo aene kiribuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo yabekire emerobili ya bene asoko ene kibuna amatuko abosio endagera eisaine ne kigotoka asense ya Kenya.
Hapa kwetu tumekuwa na bahati ya Mwenyezi Mungu. Mvua imenyesha ya kutosha, tumelima chakula, lakini soko haikuweko mzuri. Input ilikuwa expensive, mbegu ilikuwa mbaya. Serikali ya Kenya kwanza inaangazia mkulima sasa hivi.